everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 17 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we are doing an ab exercise. We are doing boat crunches. Let's go. So we're going to be holding in boat pose and doing small crunch pulses here. It's going to be hard, so let's do 100. Off we go. Ten. 20. 30. Whew, holy moly. 'Let's keep going. 40. 10 more. 50. 'Okay, we have to do 50 more reps. We've got this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 30 more reps to do. Stay with me, I know it's hard. It's supposed to be hard. Make sure your back is flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 reps. Ready? Last 10 and and 100. Woo! That was hard. That was amazing. Day 17 is in the books, 100 reps of boat crunches. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. Gonna see you tomorrow.